ProfitApp Review. Are you tired of creating or dealing with mobile apps that won't work on all browsers? Or which cannot be downloaded and used on any device? Without first going through the approval process and download hassles of iOS or Android app stores? Or maybe you're simply frustrated with the complicated technical skills required to create professional mobile apps for your business from your existing website without any technical skills. Or maybe you've been wishing for a simple-to-use mobile app builder that would let you create mobile apps that would load super fast and work on mobile devices even in a poor or zero internet connection environment. What is ProfitApp? Imagine if minutes from now you could create your very own mobile apps for iOS and Android without ever having to write a single line of code. It would enable you to tap into $700 billion mobile app industry to become the new Angry Birds for yourself, or sell apps to hungry local and online businesses who can't pay enough to get their hands on their own mobile apps. Look, mobile app development has quickly become a costly experience that's reserved for either gifted developers or Silicon Valley type businesses with very deep pockets. But why should they have all the fun? How would you like to have your very own, fully fledged mobile apps business in the next 60 seconds? Now you can. ProfitApp is a brand new software that just went live, which lets you create and sell jaw-dropping mobile apps with the push of a button. Yes, literally, click a button. Get your own iOS and Android apps you can use for yourself or sell to local businesses for big bucks. It's the only cloud-based mobile app creator that lets you design stunning, gorgeous mobile apps from scratch with our drag-and-drop editor, but without any coding, and get this, without any monthly fees either. Plus, you can use more than 30 done-for-you templates in any local or online niche to create the perfect mobile app in minutes and sell them to businesses ready to pay you thousands for the privilege. You can even turn any website into its own mobile app. Yes, get this, just copy/paste any site URL into ProfitApp and have a fully fledged mobile app ready to use. Local businesses will fight one another to give you money. As we've said, ProfitApp is fully compatible with iOS and Android and doesn't even require you to register or pay for a developer account. But don't worry, we're giving you step-by-step in-depth training anyway to help you get started, publishing your first apps for yourself and selling apps to others too. They even integrate with all major autoresponder, and you can send notifications straight to the phones or tablets of people who download your apps. Most people don't check their emails, but you can bet that people check their phones. Imagine if you could place an affiliate link or your own offer right on their home screen. How cool is that? And all with no limitations, no monthly fees, no coding required, no headaches. ProfitApp is a new revolutionary progressive web app builder that empowers you to build amazing mobile apps that can be downloaded and launched instantly by users on any user device, without waiting for any iOS or Android App Store submission or approval. This new AI software automatically creates amazing mobile apps from any website URL in minutes, works on all browsers and can be instantly downloaded and shared through social media, text, email and Q-code, without need for any Android or iOS app stores. It contains the following features and even more. Create apps in 2 minutes. Has the ability to do push notifications. Can create apps from any URL. No need for coding. Awesome, right? So don't hesitate to check the next parts of this ProfitApp review as I'll show you how powerful it is. Key features. Time to take the shortcut for instant results and finally cash in just like the big guys. And all with one click, and 100% automated inside ProfitApp. Cloud-based software creates unlimited mobile apps from scratch. iOS and Android compatible gets you published on the biggest markets on Earth. Drag-and-drop editor lets you tweak everything with zero coding involved. 30+ DFY breathtaking app templates in any local and online niche, commercial license to sell these apps to clients or build apps for them from scratch. Turn any website, yours or clients, into fully fledged mobile apps. No need to pay or register a developer account. Designed by marketers for marketers. Super reliable technology. Built-in training to get your apps published and generating plus $1,000/app. Send unlimited app notifications to customers' phones and lock screens. SSL encryption keeps your apps secure. SEO optimization gets your apps to the top of search results. 24/7 white glove support. And so much more. Let's take a look at the details. Create amazing apps in minutes. Create progressive apps from any website URL by answering simple questions, including apps for your corporate sites, Shopify stores, Amazon and eBay listings, blog posts and more with new AI-powered App Building Studio. Displays responsively on all browsers and user platforms, works for every user, regardless of browser choice, because it's built with AI technology that allows it to display responsively, look and perform with the same with best user experience across all devices including desktop, mobile, tablet, or whatever is next. No need for App Store submission or downloads, independence from App Stores, no need for Google Play or Apple Store. This means you are no longer restricted by iOS and Android's rules and guidelines. You will not have to go through an approval process, allowing the app to be used as soon as it's ready. Dynamic messaging by group or locations with detailed user statistic. Send message to selected group or by selected location and get complete users' detailed statistics to analyze the pattern of subscriptions and interactions. Create viral apps in any niche. Create viral progressive apps for any niche or business including e-commerce stores and retail chains, health and fitness, car dealerships, service contractors, restaurants, bars and hotels, doctors and dentists, marketers, coaches and services, schools, financial industries, media houses, religious organizations etc. Search engine friendly, your progressive app be identifiable as an application thanks to W3C manifest and service worker registration scope, allowing search engines to find it quickly and effortlessly unlike native or regular web apps. Easy accessibility from anywhere, including social media, text, email, QR code etc. The app is linkable, which means anyone can launch the mobile app straight from a URL. You can also share the app on social media, email, text message, online ad, or link it to a QR code, and the user will be instantly immersed into an app. Dynamic and highly flexible notification scheduling and delivery. Effortlessly schedule an unlimited number of notifications for now or later with links to your promotional, sales, services or products page. Complete control via the app dashboard, allows you to control how your app appears and how it's launched. You can specify home screen icons, the page to load when the app is launched, screen orientation, and even whether or not to show the browser Chrome. Works in poor internet connection or no connectivity, apps independent of internet connectivity or strength. Enhanced with AI engine to work offline or on low-quality networks. When launched from the user's home screen, our AI engine enables your app to load instantly, regardless of the network state or speed. Faster push notifications, faster loading, opens, push notifications than native or web apps. A recent study says, using progressive web apps results in 84% decrease in loading time, 27% increase in conversions, 53% increase in mobile sessions on iOS, 24% open rate on push notifications, 8% of consumers who tap on a push notification make a purchase. Video training and text manual, full step-by-step training on how to use the software for best results. Software is also idiot-proof to use. Absolutely no tech skills needed. Easy installation and sharing without need for an app store or web store, allows users to add apps to their device home screen without the hassle of an app store. Easily share the application via URL. All downloads and updates are delivered on any user device, all phones, iPad, tablets, laptop, desktops etc., automatically without need for any Android or iOS app store. Note, some of the mentioned features are in development when I tested it. Is it worth using? ProfitApp uses its own team of in-house app designers to create app templates in all major offline, local and online niches. Those templates can be easily tweaked with drag and drop to create the perfect app for you or your clients. App creation has never looked better, but most importantly, has never been easier. Here's what ProfitApp can do for you. Create mobile apps from scratch with drag and drop editor. Done for you templates in any local and online niche. Turn any website, yours or client, into fully fledged mobile app iOS and Android compatible. No need to pay or register a developer account. Simple copy/paste one line of code. In-depth step-by-step training to getting published on iOS and Android. Send unlimited notifications straight to your apps, offers, discounts, affiliate links. Build your list with 99% open rate. Let's take a minute to recap the huge benefits come up with. App are installed and shared across browsers, without need for an app store or web store, no need for Google Play or Apple Store. Create amazing mobile apps, from any website URL in minutes with zero technical skills. No tech skills needed. True artificial intelligence technology makes app creation a simple Q&A exercise for anyone. Mobile website into progressive web app, for your visitors and customers in minutes with no coding. Easily accessibility, access mobile apps from anywhere including social media, text, email, QR code etc. Unlimited app creation with no limits, create as many apps for as many companies or products as you like. Apps will work on all devices, independent of internet connectivity, internet speed or strength. Your app is created once, works uniformly on all devices regardless of make or brand. Imagine being the only one in your marketplace using the superior technology of ProfitApp, so you're able to create jaw-dropping gorgeous apps in minutes, including any customizations, while everyone else, including Fortune 500 companies, have to hire programmers or outsource for thousands of dollars and months of work. Bottom line is this, you end up the dominant force in your marketplace, all while radically cutting your costs down. This is absolutely a game changer for mobile app creators. It takes the advantages of both regular mobile apps and native apps, eliminates all their drawbacks, then turbocharges it by taking mobile app creation to a whole new level. I was able to create some kick-ass progressive apps that works in poor or no internet connection, just by answering simple questions in the dashboard. Here are just a few things about ProfitApp that will help you build new cutting-edge mobile progressive web apps, regardless of your technical experience. Number 1. You can now create progressive web apps in a matter of minutes using ProfitApp's new artificial intelligence dashboard. This is awesome because now you can build amazing and high-converting apps from any website URL, by answering some simple questions on the software dashboard. In other words, you no longer need any technical skills to build great mobile apps. Number 2, can create apps that are independent from app stores, which is a big help, because it allows you to quickly create great mobile apps that can be downloaded and shared immediately through social media, texts, emails and even Q codes, without going through the regular mobile app stores that often severely control what you can have, or not have, inside your mobile app. You will be essentially controlling your own destiny as to what you can include in your app. And your app will be ready to go as soon as it's ready. Number 3, apps created with ProfitApp are device independent with cross-platform capability. This is huge because ProfitApp web technology takes the operating system out of the process. This now allows you to create mobile apps that look, load and perform the same way across all devices, including iPhones, Android phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, etc. Users of your Lite app will enjoy the best experience on any device they choose to launch the app on. Number 4, apps created with ProfitApp come with linkable social share, instant engagement and easy accessibility from any device. This is a good thing because you can now generate traffic and sales effortlessly, since your mobile app can now be shared instantly on social media, email, text message on or link to a QR code. The user will be instantly immersed into your app as soon as they receive it. Number 5, ProfitApp apps are independent from internet connectivity or strength. This is great because Lite App Studio is enhanced with new artificial intelligence technology that allows your apps to work offline or on low-quality networks. When launched from the user's home screen, our ProfitApp AI engine enables your mobile app to load instantly regardless of the network strength or speed. Number 6, with ProfitApp, your apps are automatically updated and you can send unlimited push notifications as often as you like. And your users will receive it instantly on any browser they are using. And there's a whole lot more that you can do with the amazing ProfitApp. Mobile apps are so in demand right now, you'll find your apps are downloaded automatically and organically by everyone. And if you decide to build them to sell to clients, local businesses are ready to pay thousands for apps that look much worse than what ProfitApp creates for you in seconds. As we've said, ProfitApp is fully compatible with iOS and Android and doesn't even require you to register or pay for a developer account. But don't worry, we're giving you step-by-step and in-depth training anyway to help you get started, publishing your first apps for yourself and selling apps to others also. Plus, ProfitApp is a breeze to use. All you have to do to get started is log in to our web app and start customizing your dream app. You can even send notifications straight to the phones or tablets of people who download your apps. Most people don't check their emails, but you can bet that people check their phones. Imagine if you could place an affiliate link or your own offer right on their home screen. How cool is that? How ProfitApp works. Just 3 simple steps to create, download and share amazing progressive apps in a matter of minutes. Even if you've never created a progressive mobile app before. Log into our stunning cloud-based software. There's nothing for you to set up, configure or any coding involved. You don't even need to register or pay for an Apple or Google developer account. Use our done-for-you templates or the drag-and-drop editor to create the iOS and Android mobile app of your dreams. Use for yourself or clients. We've got over 30+ different niches covered, and you can even turn any regular site into a fully fledged mobile app too. Publish your app with one click straight to iOS and Android, or sell it to local and online businesses. Commercial license is already built in for you. 100% newbie friendly, and we even have step-by-step training to help. ProfitApp has been developed for people just like you. There are many applications for this powerful artificial intelligence software, and it will be especially helpful for business people and corporate executives, mobile app consultants and freelancers, social media marketers, e-commerce marketers, bloggers, content marketers. Use it for yourself too. Create your dream mobile app. Sell it or give it away to build a huge list of app downloads to run ads for. Blast any affiliate link straight to their phones via notifications. Run a professional business your competition simply won't be able to fight back. Turn your old websites into new, shiny apps. Use it for your clients too. Create mobile apps for local businesses and get paid. Charge other people by the hour to create their dream apps. Sell packs of apps on places like Fiverr or Upwork. Create apps for free, then charge a monthly maintenance and hosting fee, while ProfitApp does all the work for you. ProfitApp review conclusion and ultimate huge bonuses. Thank you so much for watching my ProfitApp review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take your action ASAP for the best deal. Click the first link in the description to get your discount now.